Welcome back to SK Car World, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into something that's shaking up the full-size sedan segment in a big way. It's bold. It's aggressive. It's back. We're talking about the 2026 Chevy Impala SS 427, a nameplate that carries decades of American muscle legacy, now reborn with a modern twist that stays true to its roots. Let us start by appreciating what this car represents. The Impala SS isn't just a big sedan with a powerful engine, it's a symbol of Chevy's performance DNA, a fusion of luxury, aggression, and unmistakable road presence. And with the 2026 version, Chevrolet isn't holding back. The return of the 427 badge says it all. Under the hood, the 2026 Impala SS packs a 7.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, yes, you heard that right, 7 liters of raw American muscle. That's the legendary 427 cubic inches, a nod to the classic big blocks of the late 60s. This beast cranks out an estimated 505 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque, channeled through a revised 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters and optional manual mode. Now, this isn't just about going fast in a straight line. Chevy has retuned the chassis to handle all that power. The suspension setup includes adaptive magnetic ride control, stiffer bushings, and upgraded sway bars. You also get Brembo brakes with 6-piston calipers up front and 4-piston in the rear, making sure this full-size sedan can stop just as well as it goes. The platform it rides on is an evolution of GM's Alpha architecture, lightweight, rigid, and perfectly balanced for performance driving. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but an advanced AWD system is optional, capable of torque vectoring for improved grip in all conditions. 0 to 60 around 4.3 seconds, making it one of the quickest sedans in its class, and a potential sleeper on the street. Visually, the 2026 Impala SS is unmistakable. It's wide. It's low. It looks mean. Up front, you've got a blacked-out grille with SS badging, aggressive air intakes, and a sculpted hood with functional heat extractors. LED headlights with sequential turn signals add a premium touch, while the rear end features quad exhausts and a subtle decklit spoiler. Massive 20-inch forged wheels come standard, wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport 4's tires. Step inside, and Chevy strikes a balance between sport and sophistication. You're greeted by Alcantara-trimmed sport seats with contrast stitching and embossed SS logos. The flat-bottom steering wheel is leather-wrapped with carbon fiber inserts, and behind it is a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display that's customizable for performance tracking. The center console is dominated by a 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen running GM's latest UI, fast, responsive, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in performance telemetry. There's also a heads-up display, a premium Bose Performance Series audio system, and optional Recaro buckets if you're going all out. And let's talk about sound. The Impala SS 427 comes with an active performance exhaust system that lets you choose between stealth mode and full throttle roar. In sport or track mode, this car sings with a deep, throaty growl that's pure V8 bliss, no fake noise, just authentic engine and exhaust tone. Chevy has also included a full suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. But don't let the tech fool you, this is still a driver's car. All the systems are tuned to stay out of your way unless you need them. As for pricing, Chevy hasn't announced exact figures yet, but early estimates put the base SS 427 around $58,000, with fully loaded models pushing into the mid-$60K range. That's serious value for the level of power, performance, and legacy you're getting here. So, who is this car for? If you love old school muscle but want modern tech and daily drivability, this is your ride. It's got the presence, the performance, and the pedigree. Chevy has built something special here, a car that honors its past while pushing forward into the future. That's the full look at the 2026 Chevy Impala SS 427. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you pick this over something like a Charger Scat Pack or maybe even a German performance sedan? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fast, stay curious, and drive something that makes you smile.